for you? Course, and of course throughout the city. It's not just the parade that's happening this weekend. There is a lot of...
Great. So would anybody like to kick things off with a few quiz questions? We have some trivia. 1, 2, 3. Woo! Okay. Anyone to represent from this section? No one to represent from this section? Okay, cool. What nationality was St. Patrick?
Anybody know? That's from here. Oh, nice.
Originally associated with. Ooh, all the way up here we have a waving hand.
Did St. Patrick die? Who knows? Hands up. Over here, okay, up the back. I'm coming in. Shout into the microphone.
Teacher Mom.
And what's your name? Orla, and your name? Maeve, and what's your name? And where are you all from? Australia!
Sophia. And who's Anna? Erica. Sophia, Anna and Erica. Are you from a band? You look like you could be from a band. 3 singers. You can sing? Will you sing for us?
Desde la bola, vengo, dice que nací en el roble. Me dice que soy arriero porque le chifla y se para. De la sierra morena, cielito lindo, vienen bajando. Un par de ojitos negros, cielito lindo de contrabando. Ay, 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 ay. Canta y no llores, que cantando se alegra el cielito lindo.
Okay, come on, we're good. He's bailing on her now. Come on. Okay. Here we go. Take a bow. Thank you, everybody. It's lovely to see you here at the festival.
Flour, salt, bread soda, and buttermilk are the basic ingredients of which traditional Irish food staple?
Have we heard? What? Is it clean? Is it clean? Okay. What's your name and where do you come from?
I'm Ian from Chicago.
This is Ian from Chicago and he's going to sing
St. Peter's Street.
St. Peter's Street. And I will hold the microphone. Okay. So let's ask. Guess, but wrong. Strong but wrong. Is that what they say? Anybody over here? Okay, I see a hand going up. Who could it be? Hi there, what's your name and where do you come from? Amanda from the United States. What is your guess, Amanda? Bono, good guess, but wrong. It's strong but wrong. Hold on, we have a leprechaun over here. What's your name, Mr. Leprechaun? Fergus, where are you from? Cabra. Okay, Fergus, here we go. It's Graham Norton, congratulations! And you get the last 2 tickets that I have. It's a family of people marching in the parade today. Up here! Okay. It sounded like you should be in the parade. I'm like, you're late! What's your name and where do you come from? Excuse me for leaning over you.
Melissa from Owasso, Oklahoma.
Melissa from Owasso, Oklahoma! And Owasso rings a bell to me because I have the script. Tell us about the band, Melissa.
Over 200 people marching in the band, color flags, and this is their third time to come to the St. Patrick's Day Parade.
And they are the most.
And our daughter Addison is playing saxophone.
Amazing! Okay, so Owasso band. This is their third time coming to the St. Patrick's Day Festival in Dublin, and we are going to keep our eyes out for Madison. Addison, I beg your pardon, we're going to keep our eyes out for Addison, who is playing the saxophone today. Thank you so much.
Associations have served together in places like the Congo, Cyprus, Lebanon, Kosovo, Bosnia, Iraq, Iran, Somalia, Eritrea, Afghanistan, Mali and Chad, to name but a few. We get another huge round of applause, please.
Every day of the year, and here they are. The Irish Coast Guard is one of the principal emergency services, along with our Garda Síochána, the fire service, anniversary. Having been
And here are our dog units.
Gary, Hugo, and Shikra. And followed quickly by
of February 1923. So 10 revenues dogs. Our dog is this. Which one is this? This is Alfie. All of our dogs here are trained to actor dogs. Scenting ability is between 1,000 and 10,000 times that of a human. That is how talented these dogs are. 1,000, depending on breed, 1,000 to 10,000 times the scent of a human. Bailey, hiya Bailey. Hiya Bailey. So cute. And this one is Gus, is it? Oh, say. Oh, Gus.
let's hear it.
In all the big and little ways all around us every day. It's a
Diane Caldwell, and Paul Angora.
Spoštovani gledalci, cenjene gledalke, lep pozdrav. Moje ime je Luka Markus in moja strast so potovanja.
Na Irskem se dekliščina proslavlja na ulici, od puba do puba, nagajivo in na glas.
Third time performing at the festival. 33 times in the Australia. Donald Duck and Daisy. They're on the way. So, Disney are thrilled to be part of the Dublin St. Patrick's Day. Great-grandfather emigrated from Ireland to North America in 1834.
Look who it is, it's Donald and Daisy Duck!
Okay, I see streamers. I see cowboys. It must be the TJC Apache Band. Let's go! They have been entertaining audiences from the football field to the performance stage since 1947 with their precision dance and head-turning production numbers. For over 60 years, the trademark precision dance, cutting edge routines, and of course the famous
Have your camera phone.
Real life performers at Bronze Stage there was oceans. These enviable position. Are you gonna give them a round of applause? Have a great festival, guys. We have the Burlington Team Tour Band now from Ontario in Canada.
Humans smell like the river Liffey.
And here we have, ladies and gentlemen, give it up for the Cathedral High School Pride of Irish Band from England, United States of America, under the directorship of Christy McCullough. With nearly 120 musicians, the Pride of Irish. High School. Nearly 2 decades they've been marching. They've been performing for nearly 2 decades in the St. Patrick's Day Parade, including Savannah, Georgia, Washington, D.C.,